Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this video session what we are going to learn in this session we are going to see how to connect, basically how to connect remote MySQL data or remote MySQL connection to with our local network using Visual Code or using Python. We are going to connect a remote MySQL database on our Visual Code with the help of Python. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. So I have already made the video how to install Visual Code on Raspberry Pi. Okay, so I have here Visual Code, and if you don't know how to install Visual Code in Raspberry Pi, so please watch my that video. Okay, so I will mention that link also inside my description box. Okay, so I have here Visual Code already installed. Now I have here a one free remote MySQL database. Okay, so this is what all the information, this is what the host, database name, database username and database password. In this video we are going to only just connect, how to connect, basically we are going to see how to connect the database. In next video we are going to see how to create a table, then how to add the new query or new entry in the table. Okay, in next video we are going to see that, but in this video we only check how to connect the remote MySQL database. Okay, so for that first we need to install here a mysql dot connector. Okay, so simply run the command sudo pip3 mysql dot connector and hit enter. It will install mysql.connector module, which basically, just a minute, pip3 install, I forget to mention install. Okay, it will basically install mysql.connector module in our Raspberry Pi. Okay, so install, we have successfully installed our mysql.connector. Now we are going to create a new file. Okay, so here first we are going to import our mysql dot connector. Okay, then hit enter. mysql dot connector, then mydb is the variable, is equal to, we are going to mention here mysql dot connector, mysql dot connector dot connect. Okay, mysql dot connector dot connect. What we are going to connect here, we want to connect with our all the information. Okay, so what is the information? This is what our all the information. So first we need here a host, so host is equal to, then we also need here a user, then we need here a password. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to mention the credentials. Okay, so open, I'm going to open the notepad, and here it is, what the, this is what our remote host. So I'm going to copy the host and just paste here. Okay, then user, this is what our user, okay, this is what our user, and password is just 123. Okay, so this is what the credentials, then hit enter, and here we are going to simply print the mydb. Okay, so print mydb. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to save the file, go to the file, save, and I'm going to give the name connect.py. Okay, just save it, and as you can see, we have now the run button. So simply click on run, and as you can see, if we see this message, it means we have successfully connect our database using import mysql dot connector. Okay, so this is what for today's video. We are going to basically see more videos on mysql with python, how to insert the query, how to create a new database in remote mysql server. For this is what for today. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.